Hello guys, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, take the question.
Sir, please explain us that what are the unimportant subjects in active and passive voice.
Okay, so guys, today Mahinur has asked me that what are the unimportant subject in active voice, passive voice.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, unimportant subject means the subject which are used at the first place in any English sentence which are meaningless, useless during passive voice. Is that clear?
Yes.
When we form passive voice, then we don't require to need to use by plus object according to PV sentence. What are the unimportant subject according to English language? I explain here. For examples, like we, they, and people. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And some, someone, and somebody, and something. Okay? Like no one and nobody and nothing. Okay guys? And everyone, everybody, everybody, and everything. Okay? Yes. Next is anyone, anybody, and anything. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, these are unimportant, it's meaningless, it's are useless subject which is used in the active voice sentence as a subject, and we don't use these words as an object in the passive voice. Is that clear?
Yes.
Guys, now I explain you some examples where we don't use these unimportant subject. Guys, I take first example like people, okay, buy goods. This is our sentence. Okay, people is the subject, buy is the MB's first form, and goods is the object. Okay, this sentence belong to PST. PST means present simple tense. In present simple tense we use HV like do or does. Do or does. And guys, according to GR policy, that if we use do does as a helping verb in the active voice sentence, then we convert into passive voice like that is, are, and am according to subject eligibility. Is that clear? For example, if subject is singular, then we use is. If the subject is plural, then we use are. And if subject is I, then we use am. And now we have to convert into PV according to GR policy. Okay? So guys, first of all, we have to use subject. And guys, subject will be goods. Is that clear? Because object of the active voice will be subject of the PV. And now we have to use HV. It's mean do does is given, then do does will be changed into is RM. Here subject is the plural, so we have to use here are. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we have to use MB. It's mean MB's third form bout. BOUGST bout. And guys, sentence is over. Now we don't require to use here by plus object according to PV. Why? Because this sentence belongs to unimportant subjects, and we have to use here as an unimportant subject people. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
I explain you another examples to understand this topic. Another examples like everybody is playing cricket. playing cricket. Guys, this is the AV and this sentence belong to PCT. PCT means present continuous tense. Okay? Everybody is the subject. Is the HV. Playing is the MB's fourth form. Cricket is the object. Guys, in the present continuous tense we use as a HV is R and M as a HV. And guys, if we use is RM as a helping verb in the active voice, then we convert into passive voice as like that being. Okay? For example, is being, are being, am being according to subject eligibility. Okay? So guys, focus here. First of all, we require subject. It's mean cricket. Cricket will be used here as a subject. Cricket is the singular subject. So we have to use here is being. Like is and being. Then we have to use amb's third form. Like playing now. So we have to use here played. And sentence will be here over. Why? Because we are using here everybody. This is the unimportant subject. An unimportant subject will not be used after the amb's third form here. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
So guys, I hope you have understood how to use unimportant subject in the active voice and passive voice format. Guys, if you like this topic, then you can share it to your social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.